Welcome to Secor Metropark, one of Northwest Ohio's most unique and surprisingly diverse natural spaces. This park is all about contrast. As you move through it, you'll notice the landscape constantly changing. Tall, mature trees give way to younger forests. Rolling, sandy terrain fades into wet lowlands. Dense thickets suddenly open into wide meadows and prairies. Secor sits right on the edge of the oak openings region, a globally rare ecosystem, and it's home to one of the largest concentration of native dogwood trees in Northwest Ohio. Do you know how you can tell it's a dogwood? By its bark. Woof. Secor is built for exploring. There's a full system of trails here, including multiple multi-use paths that work great for cycling, strollers, and wheelchairs, several hiking trails, and even a dedicated cross-country ski trail for winter adventures. Yeah. Secor is also a seriously good family park. It features some of the Metroparks system's most extensive barrier-free playgrounds, designed so kids of all abilities can play together. Between the Lone Oak and Meadowview areas, you'll find a large accessible playground with inclusive equipment, with smooth rubber safety surfacing that makes it easy for wheelchairs and strollers to move around. There's also another playground at the Walnut Grove area, with swings for toddlers and adults, accessible swings, slides, and nearby restrooms and shelter space, perfect for picnics and gatherings. But what really sets Secor apart is the bigger region it belongs to. This entire region was shaped about 12,000 years ago by glacial activity that left behind sandy beach ridges and a mosaic of unique habitats. Because of that geology, you'll find oak savannas, prairies, floodplains, swamps, woodlands, all packed into one area, which is often described as one of America's last great places. Land managers use tools like prescribed burns, mowing, and invasive species control to keep these habitats healthy and to support the rare plants and animals that live here. The Oak Openings region is home to well over 100 state-listed plant species, the highest concentration of rare plants anywhere in Ohio. It's one of the most biologically diverse natural areas in the state. The wildlife here is just as impressive as the plant life. A unique variety of birds make their home in and around Secor and the surrounding Oak Openings region. Eastern bluebirds, red-headed woodpeckers nest in tree cavities throughout the oak savannas and prairies, feeding on the abundance of insects and acorns. Barred owls can be found deeper in the woods, taking advantage of the rich mixed habitat. The region is also home to more rare and endangered species than any other area of its size in Ohio, including specialized butterflies and prairie species that depend on these habitats to survive. One of the most fascinating residents of the Oak Openings area is the Karner blue butterfly, an endangered species that relies completely on the wild lupine plant. These butterflies are tiny. They're only about the size of a postage stamp, but they're a big deal ecologically. Their presence is an important indicator of the health of the prairies and sandy openings where they live. Tucked inside Secor is something a little different from forests and prairies. This small cemetery dates back to the early settlers of Richfield Township and is named for the Wolfinger family, some of the area's first residents. Over time, it's gained a reputation as one of the region's haunted spots. Local legends say the Wolfinger Cemetery is haunted by 3 Wolfinger children who died within about a week of each other in the 1800s. According to ghost stories, their spirits can sometimes be seen playing near the back fence line at night. And paranormal investigators have visited the site looking for signs of activity. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the cemetery adds a layer of history and mystery to Secor. It's a quiet reminder that this landscape has been connected to people and their stories for nearly 2 centuries. Zooming out, the Oak Openings region stretches across western Lucas County into neighboring parts of Ohio and Michigan, forming a rare, connected natural corridor. Parks like Wildwood Preserve, Oak Openings Preserve, Wiregrass Lake, and Secor Metropark are all part of this network, helping to protect important natural areas while still making them accessible to the public. Secor sits at the northern end of the corridor, with trails that link it to other parks and preserved lands. So whether you're here for a family day, the playground, a quiet hike through rare habitats, a bit of bird watching, some photography, or even to explore the local ghost stories at Wolfinger Cemetery, Secor Metropark offers a little bit of everything. It's a place where natural diversity, human history, and a touch of mystery all come together. If you found this video interesting, please hit the subscribe or like button. Share this with a friend that you might want to go hiking with. Any little bit helps me out quite a bit. And thank you so much for watching.
I can point you home by the end of the drive. Nick